Do you ever feel like getting out of a chair is just a little harder than it used to be? That stairs feel steeper? Or that your grip just isn't as strong as it was? We often pass this off as just getting older. But what if it's not? What if this weakness, this frailty, is actually a specific condition? One that you have the power to fight every single day, starting with your next meal. This condition is called sarcopenia. It's the medical term for age-related muscle loss. After age 50, you can lose up to 1 to 2% of your muscle mass every single year. But here's the secret most people don't know. This isn't just about feeling weak. This muscle loss is directly linked to more falls, slower recovery from illness, and a loss of independence. But there is a solution, and it's simpler than you think. Today, we're revealing the best protein sources scientifically shown to help seniors stop muscle loss and stay strong for life. First, you need to understand one crucial medical fact. Your body at 60 is not the same as it was at 30. As we age, we develop something called anabolic resistance. This means your body gets less efficient at using the protein you eat to build and repair muscle. It's like the on switch for muscle growth is stuck on dim. To get the same muscle-building effect, you actually need more high-quality protein than you used to. The old standard RDA just isn't enough for healthy aging. So, how do we fight back? We don't just eat more protein, we eat smarter protein. Let's start with the undisputed king of muscle building for seniors. If there is one super protein for seniors, it's whey protein. Don't be fooled. It's not just for bodybuilders. Think of it as a fast pass for your muscles. Why? Because whey is incredibly high in an amino acid called leucine. Leucine is the spark plug that ignites muscle protein synthesis, the signal that tells your body to build and repair. Whey is also digested and absorbed very quickly, making it the perfect choice for breakfast to wake up your muscles after a long night's fast. Next up is a true 2-for-1. We're talking about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are not only packed with high-quality, easily digestible protein, they are also our best source of omega-3 fatty acids. This is critical. Why? Because inflammation is a secret accelerator of muscle loss. Omega-3s are powerfully anti-inflammatory, so they don't just help your heart and brain. They create the perfect environment for your protein to get to work rebuilding muscle, not just fighting fires. Let's talk about breakfast, or a smart snack. Plain Greek yogurt. But be careful. It must be Greek. A typical serving of Greek yogurt has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, often 15 to 20 grams. It's also rich in casein protein, which is slow digesting. This means it drip feeds your muscles amino acids over several hours, which is fantastic for preventing muscle breakdown between meals. Plus, you get the bonus of probiotics for gut health, which helps you absorb all your nutrients better. For decades, eggs got a bad rap. Thankfully, doctors and nutritionists now agree. Eggs are one of the most perfect, affordable, and easy-to-eat protein sources on the planet. Don't skip the yolk. The yolk contains half the protein, plus critical nutrients like vitamin D and choline, which support muscle and brain function. Eggs have the highest biological value of any food, meaning your body can absorb and use virtually 100% of the protein they contain. Now, we've covered what to eat, but this next part is even more important. It's how you eat it. This is the single biggest mistake most seniors make. Most people eat almost no protein at breakfast, a small amount at lunch, and then a giant 50-gram steak or chicken breast at dinner. This doesn't work. Remember, anabolic resistance? Your body can only use about 25–30 grams of protein at one time for muscle building. Anything extra is largely wasted. The solution is protein pacing. You must spread your protein intake evenly throughout the day. Your goal should be to get at least 25 grams of protein at every meal. This keeps that muscle-building signal turned on all day long. Let's recap what we've learned. This isn't just about getting old, it's about fighting sarcopenia. 1. Understand the problem. Anabolic resistance means you need more protein. 2. Eat smart protein. Focus on high leucine, high-quality sources like whey, fatty fish, Greek yogurt, and eggs. 3. The golden rule: pace your protein. Aim for 25-30 grams at each meal. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder. This is about having the strength to pick up your grandchildren, the stability to walk on uneven ground without fear, and the power to get up from any chair, every single time. It's about staying strong, staying independent, and aging gracefully on your own terms. Thank you for watching Wellness Explained Pro. If you found this information helpful, please click the subscribe button and share this video with a friend or loved one who deserves to stay strong. And now, we have a question for you. Which of these protein sources will you be adding to your breakfast this week? Let us know in the comments section below. We read every single one. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.